How to register as a Grabfood rider in Malaysia. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to register as a Grabfood rider in Malaysia. First, open your web browser and search for Register Grab Rider in Malaysia. Now scroll down and tap on the Sign Up Now button. To join as a rider, you must be a Malaysian citizen, aged 18 to 69 years old, own a motorcycle. Riders above 50 years old will have to go through a medical checkup process. Driving license B or B2 or P. Should own an Android or iOS smartphone. Never worked from Grab Express, Grab Car, Grab Taxi. Never had any background issues, such as police or court cases, and has never been banned or suspended by Grab before. Follow the instructions provided in the Grabfood section to submit your application to become a Grabfood rider. You may need to provide additional information such as your availability for deliveries. If required, complete any onboarding process or training sessions provided by Grab. This may include attending orientation sessions or completing online training modules. After submitting your application, wait for Grab to review and approve it. This process may take some time, so be patient. Once your application is approved, you will receive confirmation from Grab. This may include instructions on how to start accepting delivery requests and any additional steps you need to take. Once approved and ready, you can start accepting delivery requests through the Grab driver app and begin earning as a Grabfood rider. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified of new videos. See you in the next one.